So here's where it starts with my eggs. I've got some orders already here. This is an order for a lady that I'm meeting up the road. And that there is a white leghorn. Those are white leghorn eggs. Barnavalda, North Holland Blue, Araucana, see the green, the nice dark brown, and then you've got the white, and this is what's called tinted, just an off-white. So there's some orders ready to go out. What have we got in this one? Oh, another mixed lot in here, so that they're all getting different types of chickens. Here's 12 North Holland Blues. We're waiting on one over here. Barnavalda, beautiful Barnavalda eggs. Here's my Rhode Island Red eggs. Stunning. Good layers. Here we've got Pekin eggs. Some Millefleur. Partridge. Silver penciled, beautiful. Alright, so that's where we start with the eggs. There's some more in here. Araucana and North Holland. Here's my incubators. These are big cabinets. Hold about 170. And this is the hatcher, separate hatcher. This is where all the babies hatch out in their little basket. So there you go, those are the incubators. And over here. So here's a few of my bits and pieces up high because they're poisonous: Coxaprol, Pestine, and some stock iodine. Just a few of the necessaries when you have a chook co-op. Let's go and have a look and see if we can see some chickens. So I keep the chickens pretty close to the house so I can hear what's going on, just in case we get any predators. And I also have this fabulous little doggy over here called Dixie. Hey Dixie, good girl. She looks after the chickens, don't she? Good job. Alright, so let's have a look here. Got some chickens. And look at them. They're all in their little cave. You got a little hothouse in there. And having a good little time. We've got some, that's a white leghorn there. Cuckoo in behind. There's a Barney just walked in. And what do we got over in this corner? We've got pecans, white leghorns, and we've got Araucana at the back there. So all in all there's 38 in here, I think. So they've got two little half-round barns there, and the feeders are full, fresh grass, lots of it. Nice short grass too, not too long, and these guys have been out since a week old. I don't keep them in any longer than that because they need some space, lots of fresh air, and they need to start regulating their own temperatures. So they have a little sunbathe in there and they stay out of sight from the hawks and other predators. And it's like a little hothouse, so they stay warm, and if they get too hot they come out. So lots of water here. Water is really important. They drink so much water, and they're on Chickstarter, which has got everything they need. Pretty peaceful. You can see my gardens are planted to survive the chooks because I have a lot of them free ranging. Here's a little house for some older ones that are free ranging. garden. There's one of my chook houses up here, so I've got 3 chook houses quite close to the house so I can hear everything that's going on. And up some North Holland blues up there. Really nice and cool, a lot of airflow. There's the big daddy boy. And they're free ranging in the evenings at the moment, and the roadies are out during the mornings. So if I let one pen out, I have to be here to make sure that everything goes good. So just some quick shots of the garden. My favourite place to sit in the sun. So you can get an idea of some of the plants that I plant that survive my chickens, and some of them just plant themselves around here. There's Romance and Phoenix. And here we have got 3 of my breeding pens. North Holland blues here. Lovely bunch of hens in here. And he's a fantastic boy. Really lovely natured. And here are my white leghorns. I think so, I'm going to shoot him. Some of them are inside laying there. And the eggs. Got to be careful when I let him out because he's quite scrappy. He likes to have fights with everybody, so I've got to be home and watching him if he's out. And this guy makes out he's all big and tough. My beautiful Araucanas. Stunning. So they get sun and shade in these pens. They're designed that they're on a slope so that when it rains they wash out. And you can see the base is actually rock base, and on top of that they get this bamboo gets scratched up and thrown in there regularly, so they have scratch. And at the moment they've got the leftovers from me weeding the garden, so I go in there, I rake it all out, it goes into the compost, and then they get the scratch in there. Big drain that runs down here.